A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Pir Hafizullah, Master Government High School, Jagarpura. My today's topic for 10th class is preference of industrialists for hand labor instead of machines. Today's lesson is related with the lesson, namely the age of industrialization. It is the 5th chapter of 10th history. Dear students, since we have learned about the industrial revolution which came in England in the second half of the 18th century, 1750. It is the beginning year of the second half of the 18th century. So dear students, we learned many things, many concepts, many terms regarding the industrial revolution. Yesterday we learned that women became jobless during the industrial revolution because after the establishment of factories, after the establishment of industries, various people lost their jobs. There was still the availability of hand labor, and various industrialists prefer hand labor instead of machines. What were the causes for these industrialists who prefer the hand labor? Dear students, you know, there was ample quantity of laborers who were in need of employment due to industrial revolution. As I told you yesterday that various laborers, various workers lost their jobs after the establishment of industrial revolution, because industries need less manual power. Similarly, there were some industrialists who thought that we should import the hand labor because they had their own interests. What were their interests? There was no shortage of labor, so they got laborers in cheaper prices, in cheaper wages. They provide them wages and take maximum work from them. So this was one of the first cause that the industrialists prefer the hand labor instead of machines. Similarly, the another point was less wages to give. Since industrialists need less workers, the people who got workers, who got laborers for hand labor, they had to pay less wages to them because laborers were in ample quantity available in the market. So they easily got the laborers to employ them and provide them less wages. When laborers became unemployed, they tried to get employment anywhere for low wages. It was better for them to remain idle. It was better for them to get job in for less wages instead of remaining idle. So this was the second point. First point, I recapitulate you. No shortage of labor. Since labor was in ample quantity available in the market, so the industrialists got laborers in low wages. And so the second point was less wages to give. It means that the employers employ laborers for less wages. The third point was less capital investment. Since we know for industries, we need raw material, we need machinery, we need this capital. we need a lot of investment, which was not used for hand labor. So for hand laborers, we had only to pay wages, and and the raw material also, and the raw material was utilized by these laborers, and employers easily get their needed or the polished material. So another point was less capital investment was for industrialists in hand laboring. Similarly, another point was rare goods to produce through hands. We know. I will give you an example in Kashmiri. Gobrio tu pata wikens chhe wuchan yele is paga yele wand watan chhe ash pewan kangren han zurat ash gasan bazar ash wuchan variyan qisman hans kangri ash wuchan kangri ki kangren hans rate gasan 5000 rupees pe shuru 5000 rupees kangar hatas rupees kangar 2 hatan te 2 hatan te 4 hatan te 5 hatan te magar kah kangar chhe tis asan yu 100 rupees melan chhe गोया कि अत कांगर मेहनत लजमज या कुछ सात वन कि कर वनस मकान बनावान गसान जॉइनरी मिलन पे वन तुम दर बनावी सह वन तस बह दिमो 5 हतन तुम दर या 6 हतन या 7 हतन या 8 हतन तकाज करोस अगर दपोस वनस मतलब KD लकर एवेलेबल दपोस तमिस वनो जॉइनरी वलिस दिहस KD दर दिहस मुमकिन सह दिया 6-7 हतन रुपयन यह दार पोट अगर अत बरकस लकर हेमो मूल कायर लकर यह कायर लकर पे 4-5 हतन मूल तम पे अत लागत दी पता ओन वस्त गर तमिस काम दह दिन गोया कि कम अज कम लगे दह तमिस अकिस दार पटिस बनानस पे वो तमिस पे 500 रुपये कम अज कम दिन ज्यादा हे 600-700 हे तो थो कम अज कम 500 गोया कि 5 हतन लकर 500 पे छानस दी तम पे अत बे मजीद मटीरियल चुटकी जरूरत यह कब्ज जरूरत बी रुपये 100 खंड ग गोया कि यह पोट गो 300 तैयार यह हैंड मेड गो यह गो 300 तैयार जॉइनरी पे मिलान यह मिलान 5 या 6 हतन मज ग तैयार फर्क क्या तेल अगर 6 हतन बनो हो तो क्या कोर प्रेफर कि ना बनावो वस्त सत फर्क यह कि यह अत मज गई तसली कि बनो पानस ब्रो कन यह बनो ड्यूरेबल यह बनो आर्जी कह नतीज द्राव ठीक मकसद तम सात यह इंडस्ट्रियलिस्टन हुंद कि यम खास गुड्स इन डिमांड मार्केट्स मज तुम यह सह हे प्रोवाइड गसित यह हैंड लेबर सत यानी कि अथ कामो सत मजूरो सत कि मशीन यम चीज़ बनावान तत इक्वालिटी आसान तत यूनिफॉर्मिटी आसान तुम यम प्रोडक्ट्स बनान तुम आसान हेवी मगर ये रियर चीज़ वुचो यम बनाने यवान तुम बनाने अथो सत सो I have cleared you this point. Rare goods to produce through hands were available during that time. So these rare goods, handmade goods, they had a better demand instead of industrial products, industrial goods. And another point was uniform goods produced by industries. And the goods produced by industries, they had the uniformity. They have the equality. They were equal in size. They were uniform in size. There was no inferiority and superiority. But the handmade goods, there were some goods which were prepared by hands. They were inferiors and they were superiors. They have two types of rates. Some goods were of less rated and the others were of more rated goods. So it shows that it showed that various industrialists preferred hand labor. Similarly, another point was thought that mechanical goods were for export only. And some industrialists thought during the industrial revolution that the industrial made goods or the mechanical goods, the goods which were produced by the machines, are known as mechanical goods. These goods were only for export type. These were meant to export another countries. So these things and these products were channelized or produced. Thus the industrialists prefer handmade goods so that to fulfill the needs of their own people, to fulfill the need to supply these goods in the neighboring areas in the same state. So, my dear students, you might have understand why some industrialists preferred hand labor instead of machines. I think you might have understood these pointers. Inshallah, tomorrow we will go ahead. Thank you very much.